cleaning some leather, Adidas, or any type of gym shoe, I've actually found a good way. It actually cleans all the fabric here. It's easy enough to clean all the leather here. You can use some saddle soap, regular soap, but what about all the cloth here, right? All of this. How do you clean that? I'll just go ahead and rip this off because this is a YouTube video, not a TikTok video. There we go. I use Folex carpet spot remover. So let's get started. Now you could just change out your laces, buy new laces. That's the best thing to do. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to spray them. Let's go ahead and spray all around here. Make sure you get on the tongue here. Okay. Get into the soles. I'll go ahead and spray just the rest of the laces here. All right, let's do the other. I'm going to keep these laces tied just for now. All right, I'm going to change hands. Get all inside. Okay, so now I am going to do this. Okay, there we go. So now we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes or so, and I'm going to put it right in this little bucket, Home Depot bucket. Just let everything basically soak there and loosen up. All right, so now we'll go ahead, reposition these. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Tide laundry detergent. Just a little bit. Now we're just going to fill it with water. Nice little spray. Get some suds in there. I'm going to start washing these and just get your hands in there. I'm not going to worry about a brush or any of that. I just want to get my hands to get all cleaning in here. Of course, the leather all on the sides you want to get washed. See, that Folex is already starting to loosen up. All of the dirt. I use these during a Habitat for Humanity build, and I didn't have any construction boots. I put these on because I knew they'd be easy to clean. There you go. You want to just work all of the dirt loose. I'm going to take that one out. And again, you can buy new laces, but let's just say you need to get these clean and dried within a day, and you don't want to worry about having to go down to the store to get new laces. You can do it just like this. Get that tongue in there. Just old school, just like folks on the prairies back in the early 1900s, 1800s. They just rub the garments together to loosen up the dirt. That's basically what I'm doing here. Do the same. See the back one here just gets really, your heel, all kinds of dirt there. So pull him out. Let's do the same here. This guy, oh yeah, look at all of that. Okay, let's clean that. You're probably going to have a few spots, but overall, it's going to be 90% better. See, look, it's just cleaning all of that up. Getting your hands in there to work it loose. The heel. There you go. How nasty that is. Okay, that's good. I'm going to rinse these off now. Just pour this out. This is fake grass, so it's not going to kill the grass. Just get a good targeted spray here. There we go. Okay, that one's done. Gonna do this one now. It's an old school Adidas. Coming back into fashion. I used to wear these in the 80s. Okay. The hose aside. So now you want to let these dry. I'm just going to lean these up against